Golden Fire Link. That's what it's called. Okay, so let's win some money. That's what I want to do. I want to win some money. All right, I'm gonna turn you around, let you see the game. But I'm gonna put $100 in and let's see what we can do. So here's the game right here. Here's my hundo. Getting ready to put that hundo in. Here's my drink of choice. Some of us find this lemonade. All right, so we're gonna start off on a 2 cents denom. Let's do it. Start off with 50 cents bet and go on up. Here's your bets right here. Go all the way to that $5. Turn up the volume. All right, let's see what we get. All right, look at that on our first spin teacup. Ooh, okay. So here's the game, and let's start. And that was all right for the first game, first spin. All right, 2 spins remaining. Come on, give us something good. Drop those fireballs. Drop those fireballs. Yes. Gave us 3 spins. Ooh. Okay, let's get it. Let's go. Okay, I don't want y'all to be bashful or shy. Drop those balls. Come on, let's go. Ooh, broke another roll. Yes. Yes. I approve. Come on, drop it. Save us. All right, last spin. Save it. Come on, save it. There we go. Yes, yes. All right. Ooh, come on, save it. Last one. You saved us before. Come on, drop that ball. Drop it. All right. Let's see what we got. That was all right for my first spin. All right, let's see what's gonna add up to. Come on. 250. Let's see what that one's gonna add up to. Something big. Come on, come on. 20. 750. All right, come on. Something big. Big. You don't listen. Okay, look at the fireball. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Don't quit it. Hit it. All right. This on 2 pennies. That's double. All right. There she goes. Big win. Look at my rain show. That's right. It's raining corn.
Table game
It's
players,
raining
it's
corn. I
time
love
for
it.
the final
Stop that foolery though.
seat at the table drawing.
Yes. Here's my
We're going to be
ticket.
drawing. If you
All
happen
right.
to be on that table,
Give it
make
a
sure to
few
stay
backup
where
spins.
you are.
Ooh,
We're
we
going to go
need
and
one
check
more.
your
One more.
eligibility
See,
to make
we
sure
don't.
that your table is
See, why
eligible for $1,000 in promo chips.
Come on, we just need 3 more.
That lucky
Come
table
on, 4
is going to
of
be
the
table number
fireballs.
3.
or 3
If you're
of
on table
those.
number 3, stay where you are. Promotions team will
Come
be
on.
on the way to pay you out.
Yes, come on. Come on, drop it. Don't be bashful. Don't be shy now. Come on, drop it. I'm not going to go lower than 130. Oh, I thought I was going to do that time. Okay, last. Well, no, we can do one more. Come on, be lucky on this one. Oh, it's going to let me do one more. Good. All right, teacups, I'm going to keep playing. If I get anything else, I'll be back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and hit that notification bell. In the meantime, I'm out. Say la vie. Okay, I'm back. I kept playing this game, but I lowered my bet. I'm on 1 cent, 50 cents. Okay, broke the roll. All right, come on, Tootsie Roll, let's go. All right, And then the minor is $50, which was right up there. Let's see what we got. It could have broke one of them. Wanted that minor. Let's see what we get. Okay, 50 cents. Okay, I'll take it. Don't have no choice. There she is. There's my rain show. Yes, love it. Thank you. Okay, so that is what we won. Do a couple of backup spins. Let's go to $1. See what it does. Do one more backup spin. Okay, one more. All right. If I get anything else on the Golden Fire Link, I'll be back. Bye. Yes, Teacup. I kept on playing on this game, but I went to a higher denom. I went to 5 cents, and I'm playing the 20 cents bet. But let's see what it gets. I'm on 5 cents nickels, so let's see what these nickels give us. It's the 5 cents. Let's go. Come on, something big this time. Come on. Ooh, yes, yes. Come on. This is 5 cents. Come on. Yes, break those rolls. Come on. Give it to me. It sure would be nice for a change to get a progressive. You guys been stingy with your progressive, but come on, we're going to get it right now. I'm going to get a progressive right now. Right now. Come on, right now, right now. Ooh, they don't listen. Progressive me. Progressive me. Oh, at least we broke another roll. Progressive me. Progressive me. I want a progressive. At least give me some big balls, at least. Ooh, we broke another roll, but they're being tight. 2 spins left. Okay. That's a nice one. Okay, last spin. Come on. Okay, it didn't save me. But let's see what we got. Yes. Love it. The one good thing we're on nickels. I put $20 in the machine. All right. Okay. Let's get our rain show. Yes. We're going to stop that foolery right there. Add up my ticket. $12.60. I put only $20 in there. And I'm going to go change the denom because I don't think it's there no more. Or, you know, let me go to 10 cents and do a few at 10 cents. Let's do a few on that one. Come on, come on. I still haven't been able to get this. They'll give me 2, but not 1. Okay, that's the last one. If I continue to play, I'll be back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and hit that notification bell. In the meantime, Teacup, c'est la vie.